Hi, I'm Moral, ID Product Manager for Pilot Devices with Eaton Corporation. Today, I'd like to demonstrate to you how to convert a momentary selector switch to maintained status. This is a 3-position momentary selector switch from our recently introduced M22 line. In order to convert the momentary to maintained, you will need to use a small screwdriver and remove the 2 yellow coating adapters inside the operator. This now becomes a maintained 3-position selector switch. If you want to have one side as momentary and one as maintained, you can determine this by placing the coating adapter on the top or on the bottom position. If you place a coating adapter on the top position, the selector switch is momentary on the right and maintained on the left. If you place the coating adapter on the bottom position, the selector switch becomes maintained on the right and momentary on the left.